Welcome to today's art lesson with me, Mrs. Mack. This lesson is a part of a series of drawing lessons. Other lessons include drawing a bicycle, drawing a shoe. Today we will be drawing flowers. Today's lesson is applicable to students in Stage 2 and Stage 3. Students will be investigating subject matter in an attempt to represent the likeness of a flower. Drawing is an important fundamental skill. All students need to practice drawing as often as possible. There is no time limit for this lesson, and students can either do a reasonably quick sketch or you may choose to do an extended study of flowers. Students can use either a HB or a B pencil, but if you wish to vary the drawing tool, then that's okay too. For this art lesson, you will need an HB or a 2B pencil. You'll also need an eraser and a pencil sharpener to keep your pencils sharp. A paper scrapbook is perfect for this series of drawings, or just use a blank A4 paper. If you are drawing on a piece of blank white paper, it's very helpful to attach that paper to a clipboard or just a hardcover book. There are so many types of flowers that we can draw. Flowers are often used in decorations around the house. On the left, there are some flowers that have been stitched onto cushion covers, and on the right, there are some brown flowers that are part of a window blind. When you finish drawing some of the flowers in this lesson, you might like to search your house for flower patterns or images. I'm sure you'll find a couple. Drawing flowers can be a lot of fun, so hopefully you will enjoy today's lesson. As a warm-up exercise, we will draw a water lily. Now the image on the left of the real water lily is quite complex, so I've provided a simpler image for you to draw. I want you to fold your paper into 4 parts. Watch this short video now of a student drawing a water lily, and then draw your water lily in just one part of your folded paper. You can see that the student starts in the center, drawing the middle petal. Then she draws the 2 petals on the left, these 2 petals, and then the 2 petals on the right. She then draws these 2 at the bottom that point out, and then the bottom petal. And lastly, she draws a stem. I want you to have a go at drawing that water lily. So you can pause now and have a go. Now I'd like you to draw a daisy in another part of your folded paper. Now to draw the daisy, again, this image is quite complex, so I've tried to simplify it for you. You start with a large circle, then an inner small circle, and you divide your circle into equal parts, and then draw your petals. Watch this video of a student drawing a daisy. She's drawn the large outer circle and the inner circle. Now she's dividing the large circle into parts. And now she'll draw the petals around the parts. She's just doing a little bit of line work, and of course you can put a stem if you wish to at the end. Have a go at drawing that daisy on another part of your folded paper. The next flower we're going to try is a flower called a hibiscus. This is what we're going to have a go at drawing. Now, hibiscus is a little bit different because it has a stamen that's quite long. So let's watch the student draw the hibiscus. She starts off drawing the stamen and shades it. Then notice that this hibiscus has 5 petals. And they're quite large. They don't have to be exactly the same size because flowers have different sized petals in real life. And then she's going to finish it off with a little bit of line work or shading. So I want you to have a go at drawing the hibiscus on your third part of your folded paper. And she's added a stem, and I think she also adds a couple of leaves. So you've drawn your water lily on one part, your daisy, your hibiscus, and now you can choose to draw whichever was your favorite flower and redraw it in the 4th square. You can pause the video to draw your favorite flower. Now, if you want to do more, you can find a flower either in your house or garden and draw it firstly in an HB or 2B pencil, then add some coloured pencil. Try to choose a simple flower or draw this one that just has 7 pink petals and 5 yellow stamens. Or if you want to do even more, you could create your own imaginary flowers like these ones that have been done in black pen and coloured pencil. But remember, you need to have some fun as you are drawing your flowers. Well, that brings us to the end of today's drawing lesson on flowers, and I hope you really did have some fun. Congratulations to everyone who spent some time drawing flowers.